Hello pupils, you are welcome to our English lesson. Today you will know types of animals, learn new words and do some exercises. Now please look at the picture. What do we see there? Yes, you are right. We can see animals. Let's watch video about animals.
Hello everyone, this is Elf Learning with Animals. Are you ready? Bear, bird, cat, chicken, cow, dog, duck, elephant, flamingo, frog, giraffe, gorilla, hippopotamus, horse, kangaroo, koala, lion, mouse, octopus, panda, pig, rabbit, sheep, and zebra. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. This has been Elf Learning with Animals. We will see you next time.
Now, please open your book, page 4. Today's our theme is animal types. New words. Please open your notebooks and write down new words. Now listen to me and repeat after me. Mammal, mammal. Reptile, reptile. Bird, bird. Land, land. Plant, plant. Witch, witch. What, what. Very good, good job. Now please look at these pictures. Look at this picture and we can see animals. Animals live in the water, in jungles, and in deserts. Animal types divided into 3 types: mammals, birds, and reptiles. Mammals. Mammals. For example, monkeys, hippo, giraffe, lion, tiger, elephant. They are mammals. Mammals have backbones and they are warm-blooded. They drink milk. Next is reptile. Reptile. Reptiles lay eggs and use the heat from the sun to keep their blood warm. Frogs, snakes, lizards, crocodiles are reptiles. Next is bird. Flamingos, penguin, parrot, eagles are birds. Birds have feathers and wings, and most of them can fly. Good. Now, please answer the questions. We can see here 3 pictures, and tell me please, which is a bird, which is a mammal, and which is reptile. Check your answers. Picture number 1 is dog. Number 2 is a cow, and number 3 is a snake. Now look at your pupil's book, page number 5, exercise 2. Read and name the animals. 1. I live on land. I eat eggs and small animals. I look for food at night. What am I? I am a snake. Very good. 2. I live on land. I eat plants. What am I? I am... Of course, I am elephant. I am an elephant. 3. I live on land and in water. I eat fish. What am I? I am a penguin. Very good. Good job. Now, write down your home tasks. Please look at these pictures and put animals in the place they belong. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.